guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to log out or how to remove your Google account on BlueStacks on your Windows PC. As you can see guys, I have logged in my Google account in the BlueStack. Now I want to remove this. To remove your Google account guys, just you need to open the system apps. As you can see, system apps is here. Just click on it. From here you need to open the settings. Okay, in the settings guys, scroll down and find out accounts. Okay, and here you can get the option Google. Just click on it and here you can get your Google account. As you can see in the top right side corner, you can get three dots. Just click on it. From here you can get the option remove account. If you want to remove that account, just click on it and once again click on remove account. That's it. Now it will remove your Google account from BlueStacks. So this is the easy and very simple method. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.